Hello people, it's been a long time since I had uploaded the video and back with a new video. And this video is gonna be a special video because for the first time I'm traveling around like 60 kilometers from Bangalore to taste some food. And many people know this place. It's called Hoskote Biryani, which is pretty famous in Bangalore. Many people say that it's just a hype created by the people, saying Mani Biryani taste is like extraordinary, and other side of the people say that the taste is not really good. Let's see. Let's check it out how the taste feels. I personally do taste the biryani, and I'll be telling you how it actually feels. Let's get into the video. And before that, I'll be meeting my friend called Mahesh, and Mahesh's friend also will be joining with me. So we planned near somewhere. It's like around 18 kilometers from my place. So it's a meeting point. So we will go there and we'll check it out. Hi bro. Hi bro. Hi. Ah? Heavy ಇದೆ. Ah. Okay. Finally met at the meeting point. So finally we are leaving the meeting point. Now we'll be heading straight to Hoskote Mani Biryani. Guru, ಏನಿದು ರಶ್ಶು ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಓಹೋ ಕ್ಯೂ ನಿಂತವ್ರಲ್ಲ ಗುರು. ಏನು ಬ್ರೋ ಇದು ರಶ್ಶು? ವೀಕ್ ಡೇಸು ಇಷ್ಟು ರಶ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಯಾವಾಗ?
ಪಿಕಪ್ ಅయింది కదా బైక్ అప్పుడు చైన్ స్పాకెట్ అంతా కవర్ చేసి కదా ನೀರು ಬಾಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಂದ 2 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ నాకు వద్దులేరా బాబు, నువ్వు వేసుకో. నువ్వు తిని చల్లగా ఉంటే చాలు.
ಬ್ರೋ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು?
230 ಬ್ರೋ.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಯಾ ಶೋರ್, చేస్తారు వీడియో వచ్చేసి. వాటర్ బాటిల్ నిండగా ఉంది ಟೈಪಿಂಗ್.
ಬ್ರೋ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಟೇಸ್ಟು?
ಗುಡ್ ಬ್ರೋ.
ಸಾಲ್ಟು ಖಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ?
ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಫೈನ್.
ಓಕೆ ಬ್ರೋ, how do you feel about the taste?
English nice bro.
Nice bro. You?
Nice bro.
Nice.